I'm gonna show you how to fake like it's golden hour even in the harsh sun.
Thanks so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video.
This is one of my favorite tricks. Even if it's a nice day and the sun's just not where I want it to be, I get to create the sun and place it where I want it to be and get that nice golden haze, golden hour glow that most of us schedule our photo shoots around. First thing I'm gonna do is just get a normal photo of Megan here. We'll probably, let's see, right about here. And you know, there's nothing wrong with this photo. It's a gorgeous photo of her, but I just wanna add that golden glow in the background. So I'm gonna put my Profoto Connect on and I'm gonna grab my light. So Isaac has my B10 and we have 2 CTO gels here. So what color is the sun? It's orange. So we're gonna mimic that. What you wanna do is put it far back behind some foliage and a little bit high up. So where you're gonna escape to is behind those trees. Another thing we're gonna use is a reflector, and you're gonna use this reflector just as if you were using it for natural light. The key to making this work, Isaac, you're gonna hold it up and then walk that way a bunch, and then probably down a little bit. Keep going. I want it to kind of be like right behind the trees. Yes, right there. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like on full power and see if this gives us the glow we're looking for. Right out of camera, it did. All right, so this looks pretty good. To make this a little bit better, I think I can actually lower my power. Is that C? 3C it says, right? All right, because the lower my power goes, the more I'm gonna save my battery and faster recycle time. So let's just go ahead, lower that. Yep, and we still got an orange glow. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I need to go into high-speed sync. I basically need my ambient exposure to be a little bit darker. And I still want to have a nice shallow depth of field. There we go. Now we're cooking. All right, so what I did, I went to 400, enabled high-speed sync, and what that does to your light is it kind of lessens the power a little bit, but that's okay. We got what we need, and now we can just shoot and play around just like you normally do in the sun and play with the haze and the direction, and we'll have fun.
In case you haven't already heard about today's video sponsor, Squarespace, let me tell you some of my favorite features. I've used Squarespace for a ton of different websites. My photography website, e-commerce website, selling photography education, and I've even designed my dad's band website. And it's all done in just a few clicks because Squarespace has really wonderful design templates for any type of style that you can imagine, and they're all clean, professional, and really easy to use. Now, if you're a photographer like I am and you are always on the go, updating your website tends to be the thing you put on the back burner. Well, with Squarespace's app, you can upload new photos to your website right from your mobile device, making sure that your photography work that is showcased is up to date at all times. Now, Squarespace isn't just about building a website. Yeah, it does that, and it's great. It also goes one step further into the workflow management of your business, including sending invoices, calendar scheduling, accepting payments, you name it, Squarespace probably does it. Now, if you head to the link in the description below, you're gonna get an extra 10% off. So make sure you take advantage of that. Try out Squarespace and see how easy it is to create a website, manage it, throw anything you want on there, and showcase your business as best as it can be. Now back to the video.
Awesome, so that's it. That's how you create golden hour. Thanks so much for watching here on YouTube. Make sure you hit subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you next time.